and we can share. Yes, and we can share.
But I can't find the lady,
No, just give like no, we all came at the same time. You got a whole lot. Give me one, because me I make earrings. So I just want little, even 1 year. I'm just surprised.
Oh, surprise me.
Just give me 1 year.
I wanted to look for the lady.
I don't know her name either. Is she a sister? Maybe she's not a sister. Yeah, because this one. You were organizing that training workshop for me. That's okay. I want to ask you. We can share 1 yard of fabric and 1 drink and white. She had a full so this It's a flora. It's a flora. Yeah, but I'm saying what I was asking you. I just wanted 1 year. That's our 1 year. 1 meter. 1 meter. Just this. But I was asking you, and you took it away. Your husband was explaining, your son was explaining, and you still took it away. So I wonder whether you don't speak English. No, you don't speak English. You didn't understand what I said. So if I can just share anything
Sorry. Next week?
No. I'm just trying to confuse you understand.
Go home
we share.
Sorry.
Next year, and we can share.
Okay? Yes,
We share.
thank you.
Yeah? And we can share. Everybody here share the fabric with me. You alone, you don't share. You can take a photo. We can take a selfie together.